Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on an absolutely beautiful 21 Mach 1 Mustang. It's an automatic running 93 octane, and this car is bone stock, except for a set of stainless power long tube headers we installed in the 93 tune. Doug, come down here and take a look. We're going to do a couple things here. So first I just want to show you the engine compartment. It is a stock engine bay from up here. So of course the Mach 1, you get a lot of the GT350 goodies like the manifold, 87mm throttle body, air induction system right off the showroom floor. And all we did is install a set of stainless power long tube headers to a tune. Right here I have a box of stainless power long tube headers that at the end of this video I'm going to open up because obviously you can't see them right here. So that's the engine compartment. We're going to watch the dyno pull. We're going to look at the graph. If you want to stick around, I'll unbox that kit right there so you can take a closer look. But for now, let's check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna check out the numbers. DynoJet SAE 21 Mach 1 automatic, 444 real horsepower, peaking at just 6,600 RPM. Torque comes in 404, peaking at 4,800 RPM. Love those numbers. You know, stock car, set of long tubes, 93 tune. And if you wonder what's this cost to get installed, email quote@brenspeed.com. We're in Indiana. I am gonna open that box for you here in a second. Open the description. I'll put a link to those headers. We can ship them right to your door. I have Doug with me. Let's go in the showroom and check them out. Okay, it's unboxing time. Sorry, you know, you can't see them on the car when they stand there like that, so I thought why not open the box up to show you. So this is what they come in, the old Stainless Works and stainless power box. I'm just gonna rip this thing open. These are 1 7/8 long tubes. Doug, get down on that. Open and take a look at what you get. So they're packed pretty good so far. Get rid of all this wrapping. I love these long tubes. And the stainless power headers are a really good price, I think. Stainless steel, 304, 1 7/8, 15 to present. They're gonna fit your Bullet, they're gonna fit your Mach 1, they're gonna fit your GT, but you're getting basically a full-blown long tube. So if you've looked at Cooks before, they're not quite this long. They're what you call more like a mid-length. They come down to about right in here before they hook on, but these are gonna go all the way down. No clearance problems with these. All slip fit connections, direct bolt-in. You get a mid-pipe right in this box with it. It's basically just some parts, and you know, you're gonna get some cats with this, so you're gonna get some high-flow cats. Of course, part of the kit, all the connections you need to hook up to your factory cat back, so that's pretty cool. They also have all your extensions and connectors in here, all your clamps. Gonna get a bag of clamps. Gonna get your connections. Really nice bends. I mean, everything's awesome on this. Everything's marked like this one right here says left. So it's pretty easy to install. So there you have it. That's a set of stainless power long tubes. They're 304 and they're 1 7/8. Killer stuff, keep them in stock. So 11 to 14 Mustang in stock, 15 to present in stock, GT350 in stock. I'll put links in the descriptions for all those. But thanks so much for watching. Just wanted to, you know, I know a lot of you know what set of headers looks like, but honestly, some of you don't. So there you go. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment if you have questions. Happy to answer. Have a great day.